Some important bills of the Marcos administration will face difficulty passing in the upper chamber under the leadership of new Senate President Francis Chis Escudero. According to political analyst Dr. Froilan Calilong, the senator has reservations about constitutional amendments. This position of SP Escudero, he said, will have implications for the Senate's priority measures.
Pero yung paglalatag ng mismong agenda, medyo may kumpas pa rin dyan yung Senate President kung ito ay ikukonsidera niya bilang isang priority measure or hindi. No? Pero at the end of the day, again, it's how many numbers do we have in support of the Chacha.
Additionally, Calilong noted that not only the economic charter change but also other controversial bills could see slowed passage.
Maaring magkaroon ng pagbagal doon sa mga controversial issues at mga legislative agenda na kinikilala ng administration bilang priority. Pero tingin ko rin naman magkakaroon din naman ng mas mabilis na dispensation ng mga decision tsaka ng mga legislative processes, especially naman doon sa mga legislative measure na hindi ganoon ka-technical or hindi ganoon ka-controversial.
SP Escudero already expressed confidence senators will approve the priority measures of the Marcos administration and the Legislative Executive Development Advisory Council or LEDAC despite a split in the majority coalition of the upper chamber. The Senate President also said that he has no problem with the proposed amendments to the economic provisions of the Constitution. He only wants these to be presented or detailed properly to the public.
Wala akong problema sa anumang uri ng pagpapalit. Basta sabihin lang natin sa taong bayan, ano ba talaga yun? At yun din ang iniintay kong kasagutan at nais kong malaman. Dahil yung economic provisions, may mga batas tayo kaugnay na yan. At yung pinakamabigat na o malaki, pending sa Supreme Court. Pag nagdesisyon ng Korte Suprema, hindi na rin naman problema yun eh.
Nel Maribuhok, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.